Good afternoon, guys. This is Cameron with American Forest Scraping. Nick with Florida Paints. We're over here just going to mix our first batch of product up. Clear down. We've already mixed everything up already in the buckets, portioned everything out. So we'll start mixing. And not with the paddle. Going to mix it with a stick. Just because I don't need to agitate it as much.
There we go. T-Mobile's just letting me know now that next month my phone plan went up.
So mix this right now for about 45 seconds to a minute, but I'm gonna speed the process up so you guys don't have to watch me mix for the next minute. So on the other side over here, we've already got our nap 18-inch roller ready to roll. I'm gonna throw this product into the sprayer. Yesterday we did our flood coat, so we sprayed on our first coat. Everything will soak in. Sprayer, put that on, and I'll take you guys to where we're getting ready to put this product down, and then you guys can see we flood coated the floor yesterday. So we've already taped off everything, guys. This was our flood coat yesterday. So we're gonna start coating back and forth. You can take our shoes off?
Yeah, I'm definitely taking mine off.
Don't want to get any grits in them. Take our shoes off. Bring this box with me just in case when I stop.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So
We have a very, very good lighting.
you want to roll from
Why don't we go from here to this outlet? How does that sound?
we're gonna go all the way that way?
Yeah, we'll just go that way. Yep. I'm gonna let you get that on there real good.
Oh, boy. Get some product there.
Yep.
Yeah, medium.
All right, I'm just gonna roll into it, and then we can just go right back to it. We're good. I think I'd get a little more product right in here. And I can roll right into it straight ahead. Oh yeah, now you're good.
There we go.
See, now I can see where I'm stopping, so.
Keep dripping. Oh, favorite dude.
Yeah, we'll do that from back here, yeah?
Good?
Yeah, yep, I think we're. I'm just trying to improve the roller marks, that's all they bother me, but it's all good, I think we're getting better. Getting it figured out. I talked to Dan from Dan's Customs, and he says, Nick, I just go thin, even goat looks, you know, like you guys have always told us, and he doesn't necessarily hit it with a dryer roller like you said either. He said he didn't care for that method. So I get it. Oh yeah, see that?
Sorry.
Good.
You know about it?
I don't think so. Not over here. You can kind of see where I stopped.
Yeah, I'm just trying to spray it. It keep coming out.
Yeah.
I keep going. For some reason, it's going good now. Hold on. You roll into that? Here, I'll spray it. All the way to the door. Look at the drip mark right there. You see it?
Yep.
Sorry.
Nope, you're good now. We're good.
Hey, you're stepping in and out.
It's all right. Not too bad. All right, let me shorten this pole a little bit. Much more manageable. Okay.
Just a way different color. Tell the difference.
The camera, this job is nice. No, it is. It's nice. These are probably nice people to work for. Well, that's good. But you need more, like you said, you almost got into a damn fist fight this morning with somebody. What did they get now?
You're recording. Don't say anything, you're recording.
I keep forgetting. No, we're good.
What does it mean? It was custom?
Yeah, yeah.
I ain't care. You want more color?
I don't think so. Here, get that, so see it.
You more against the wall?
Maybe a little tiny bit, yeah. I'll go right into it.
So you can see. Just got all the way against the wall here. I'm gonna back it up so we can see more of what Nick and I got going on. We'll start actually on this side again. You can just watch the color difference. Go all the way back to the wall.
I still try to roll.
Just gonna roll this out.
And then I'm rolling the same direction out past this. Here, why don't you spray that area there? We'll do the same thing and then we can just roll right on that area. Yeah, there's marks for laying down already.
Alright.
See the only lapse there? Is where I have to roll into that, that's it. Okay, like that.
Sprayed this side, he's gonna roll this side out now. So all we have to do is just cut in the edges on each side of the garage. We can make our way out. good amount of product.
Oh, yeah, you got plenty of product on here, I can tell you that. I hear somebody's airless going. Somebody's spraying.
2 houses down.
Yep. Sounds like a Graco 395.
It's a red one.
Oh, it's a Titan. Yes, that's what I was telling you about the other day. Those are the two big dogs. That's like Ford and Chevy. They're the two big dogs in airlesses.
Yeah, I don't know too much about. Can you get more product there?
No. Got that whole edge. This way.
Need a little bit more on the edge. You see a little bit of concrete right here. See it?
Yep.
Just let the car sit down as best as possible. Get their minds out. How what they really are.
Definitely tell this was a second coat.
Oh yeah. See the sheen already
Oh,
coming
yeah.
off in a second. One more
Oh, once
coat.
that dries, it's gonna bring it up.
One more coat, Vidovsky.
Oh yeah, you put a third coat on this floor is gonna shine like a showroom.
One more.
That there's no doubt about. One more little pass to make sure. Let this dry overnight and you guys should come back and be fine. That roller you can save, you know that. Yep.
I think I saved one last time just like this.
That roller you can save. You'd be crazy.
Walking back to the truck, put a few things away. All right, guys, so go through quite a few rollers. Go to wash off the 18-inch frame. I'll show you guys when it dries tomorrow. We'll put the third coat on, but thanks guys for watching. Have a beautiful day.